Let's see how much fidgets I have. So I have this. And bracelet pocket. 3. Oh wait, it's not really. Is this a fidget? Leave a comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Oh man, I really love this. Forgot about this guy. It feels so fun. Alright. It is feels good. Alright. Did I count 10? I have short memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. 11. Jesus. 11. Oh man. 11, 12. These are not supposed to be connected, but they're messed up, but they count as 2, so 13. I think this could be a fidget. I mean, it feels good. 14.
Guys,
15, 16. Oh, I'll make another video. Leave a like, subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe for part 2.